everyone, I'm Sylvia, and today I'll be talking about the origin of volleyball, who created it, and what I expect to learn from this subject. The story of volleyball starts in 1895 in a young men's Christian Association gymnasium in Holyoke, Massachusetts. The man behind the origin and invention was William G. Morgan, a physical education director. Looking for a less physically demanding alternative to basketball, Morgan took inspiration from various sports like handball, tennis, and even baseball. He combined their elements to create a new game, initially called Mentonet. The game's initial rules were simple, involving a net similar to tennis but placed 6 feet, 6 inches above the floor, and a set of innings resembled to baseball. It wasn't until a demonstration game that a spectator suggested the name volleyball, noting that the players were volleying the ball back and forth over the net. The name stuck and volleyball was born. My expectations in this subject is to learn the fundamental skills and rules of volleyball, improves my physical fitness, develop teamwork and sportsmanship. I also hope to gain confidence in playing the game and enjoy participating in class activities throughout the semester. That would be all and have a good day ahead.